Is your VW Golf 2015 to 2020 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. These fobs use a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flat tool like a guitar pick or VW-specific opener. Gently pry open the fob along the seam, avoiding metal tools to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032 with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together. This is a cheap fix as official VW service centers charge $50 to $150 for replacements, while aftermarket kits cost $10 to $20. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Corroded contacts are a frequent culprit. According to JD Power, key fob battery replacements are the #3 most common DIY repair for VW owners. If your remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation. Inserting it upside down is a common mistake that can prevent the fob from functioning. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion that might interfere with the connection. If that doesn't work, try resynchronizing the fob with your car. Insert the key into the ignition and turn to the on position without starting the engine. Then press and hold the unlock button on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual for more advanced key fob reprogramming steps, or it may be necessary to have a mechanic reset or reprogram your key using an OBD2 scanner. Always recycle your old batteries at an e-waste recycling center to properly dispose of them. Expert advice emphasizes testing the fob after replacement and consulting the owner's manual for any model-specific nuances.